For these questions, we're asked to factorize each expression. And the way I'm going to tackle the first couple is to write them out in long form. And what I mean by that is as follows. The 2x squared I could write as 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x. And we've got the plus. 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2. So we're writing this in its prime factor decomposition. Then we're multiplying by x and multiplying by y. What we then say is, well, what is common to both of these? Well, we have a 2 that is common, so we can write the 2 here. We also have an x that is common to both, so we can write the x. And there's nothing else left that is common, so we open the bracket. And then anything that's left here goes inside the bracket. Well, we've got the x, we've got the plus, and then we have a 2y. On to B. Similar approach here. The 4 we can write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B. Then we've got the minus. 6 we can write as 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by A. And then let's see what's common. Well, we've got a 2 common in both, so we'll write the 2 down. We've also got an A that's common. Let's pop down the A. And then there's nothing else common, so let's open a bracket. Everything that's left goes inside the bracket. Well, we've got a 2b here. Then we've got the minus, and we have a 3. And we can close bracket. On to C. Similar approach, we've got the 3 multiplied by x, multiplied by x, multiplied by y, plus 9 we can break down into 3 multiplied by 3, multiplied by x, multiplied by y, multiplied by y. Let's have a look at what's common. We have a 3 here and here, so we can write down the 3. We have an x that's common in both, so we write down the x. And then we've got a y and a y, so we can write down the y. And then there's nothing else left, so we open the bracket. And everything that's left goes inside the bracket. So we've got the x here, we've got the plus, and we've got 3y. And close bracket. Now for these questions, I'm not going to do it in long form. I'm just going to go straight for the answer here. Now what I'm doing is I'm looking for the highest common factor in each of these terms. And I do this by looking at the numbers first, the coefficients, and then each of the letters in turn going alphabetically. So what is the highest common factor of 10 and 15? Well, I know that 5 goes into 10 and 5 goes into 15, so 5 is the highest common factor. Looking at the A terms here, we've got A squared and A, so I can bring a factor of A. And then we've got B and B squared, so I can bring a factor of B. Then I open the bracket. Comparing this term here with this one, I can see I'm going to need to multiply by 2, because 5 2s are 10. A multiplied by A will give me the A squared. And I've got a B here. I've already got a B here, so I do not need to include a B. Then got that minus. 5 multiplied by 3 gives me 15. I've got an A here, and I only need one A, so I don't need to include an A here. B here, but I need a B squared, so I'd have to multiply by B. On to E. Same approach. Highest common factor of 6 and 8 is 2. I've got a common factor here of A, so I can bring that outside. And then we've got the B and a B squared, so I'm going to bring one of the B's here. There's a C here, but there's not a C here, so that is not a common factor. So open the brackets. Okay, what goes inside the brackets? Well, 2 multiplied by 3 gives me 6. I've already got the A, I've already got the B, so I just need a C. Plus 2 multiplied by 4 will give me 8. I've already got the A, I've already got 1b here, but I need b squared, so I need to multiply that by b. And the last question here, well, 3 is going to be the highest common factor, so bring out a 3. We've got x squared and x, so I've got a factor of x, y and y, so a common factor of y, and z and z squared, so a common factor of the z. Open the brackets. I've already got the 3, so I don't need a 3. I've got 1x, but I need x squared, so I have to multiply by x. I've already got the y, I've already got the z, so that's that term finished. Then we've got the plus. 3 multiplied by 2 gives me 6. I've already got the x, I've already got the y, I've got 1z here, but I need z squared, so I multiply by z. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up. And if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the little notification bell.